Put strawberries in water and add one ingredient. Everyone will ask why your strawberries are so sweet and stay fresh for so long. Additionally, you'll get rid of bugs and mold spores. The strawberries will be sweeter and stay fresh longer. Usually, we bring strawberries home, rinse them with water, and start enjoying them. It should be done differently. First, get a bowl. Fill it with water and place the strawberries in it. Now you have two options. One is to add salt. Don't worry, the strawberries won't taste salty. Almost everyone knows that salt enhances sweetness. Thanks to salt, everything tastes sweeter, even strawberries. But that's not the main reason we soak strawberries in salt. Wait for about 15 minutes. After this time, look in the bowl and at your strawberries. If there were bugs in the strawberries, they will come out. If there weren't any, you'll just see dirt in the bowl. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water and put them in a serving bowl. The second method is to add apple cider vinegar to the water with the strawberries. This will not only get rid of bugs, but also mold spores. This way, your strawberries will stay fresh much longer. Just like with the first trick, rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water before eating them. This is the best way to remove stains from a white t-shirt. Whether it's stains from blueberries, cherries, strawberries, or watermelon, they disappear instantly. All it takes is a simple trick with hot water. It always works. I use it for sturdy fabrics. In spring and summer, when fruit is everywhere, stains on clothes are hard to avoid. Favorite strawberries can easily stain a shirt. First, remove any leftover fruit from the clothing. Then, grab a sieve or colander. Place your t-shirt over the sieve so the stain is centered. Stretch the shirt tight and tie it underneath. It needs to be pulled taut. You can also use a rubber band if you prefer. Once your t-shirt is secured, place it over a bowl. The sieve should be lying flat. Now, boil some water in a kettle. Put the bowl on the floor. Take the kettle and stand on a chair or ladder. From as high up as possible, pour the boiling water over the stain. You'll watch the stain disappear right before your eyes. This is the perfect method for removing fresh stains. The tightly stretched fabric and boiling water, poured from a height, will lift the stain. Afterward, simply wash or rinse the shirt and let it dry in the sun. Sunlight will work as an additional natural bleach. Add 1 teaspoon in March to your strawberries. During the season, you'll be harvesting them by the kilo. If you want to enjoy delicious sweet strawberries, take care of them right after winter. Start by taking a glass container and pouring in 2 cups of hot, but not boiling water. Then, prepare coffee. Coffee contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and magnesium, all the nutrients strawberries need to grow. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the container. Next, add 1 teaspoon of wood ash. Wood ash provides strawberries with calcium and potassium and also strengthens their roots. Now, mix the solution well. After mixing thoroughly, cover the container with plastic wrap and let it sit for 24 hours. After that time, dilute the mixture by adding another 2 cups of water. Use the mixture to water young strawberry seedlings before planting them in the garden, as well as those already growing in the soil. Repeat the process once or twice a month, and you'll enjoy tasty and abundant strawberries all season long. Place pieces of strawberries into an egg carton, filling a few of the slots. Then cover everything with soil, lightly sprinkle with ash, and mist with water. After a short time, you will see your own strawberry seedlings starting to grow. It is a simple way to enjoy fresh fruit straight from your own garden. Dig it into the garden and your plants will bloom like never before. Strawberry seedlings are a perfect choice for your garden, especially if you want healthy, abundant crops. Strawberries thrive in full sun, and their roots need soil that is moist but well-draining. Make sure to water the strawberries regularly, especially during their growth period, to maintain proper moisture levels and support healthy development. With the right care, these plants will yield delicious and juicy fruits. Planting sunflowers next to your strawberries is also a great idea, as they act as a natural fertilizer. They will enrich the soil with minerals essential for healthy plant growth. Dig a hole, drop in some sunflower seeds, and gently cover them up. Sunflower seeds help naturally fertilize the strawberries, improving soil structure and providing valuable nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Sunflowers also attract bees, which aids in pollinating the strawberries and other plants in your garden. As a result, your strawberries will grow stronger, healthier, and more fruitful, while your garden will become even more beautiful. The best and fastest strawberry and chocolate cake. Prepare a paper container from the eggs, then cut off small mountain molds. Unroll one sheet of puff pastry and place it evenly over the egg tray. This tray will help create indentation pockets. Gently press the dough with your fingers into the folds of the tray. While doing so, creating little pockets. Place the washed strawberries in each of the indentations created. Carefully place the chocolate on the other side of the dough. Brush the edges with egg wash. Then press them together, making sure they are completely sealed. Remove the cake from the egg mold and then brush the top with the remaining egg wash for a glossy finish. Put the cake into the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the pastry for 25 minutes or until the cake is golden brown. Remove strawberry cake from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes. It is best to sprinkle some icing sugar on top. So, just a couple of minutes, and you have a delicious dessert to enjoy. I water the strawberries with this mixture. The harvests are so large that I gather them in full buckets. I thought strawberries wouldn't grow in my soil. When I learned this recipe, it turned out that I have huge yields every year. I crumble a yeast cube into a bowl. Add a cup of cow's milk. Yeast provides nutrients that promote vigorous strawberry growth. Then, add a tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. It protects the plants from parasites. Mix everything until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into a bucket with 10 liters of water. It's best if it's rainwater. Then, take the bucket to the beds. Water the plants using a smaller container. Fertilizing strawberries with this mixture also protects them from diseases. In addition, the fruits grow large and juicy. I gather them in full buckets. During the season, I have plenty of strawberries. It's all thanks to this homemade method. Pour this into a bowl of strawberries and see what happens. This fizzing foam is incredibly important. Put the strawberries in water and add 2 ingredients. Everyone will ask why your strawberries stay fresh for so long. With this trick, you'll get rid of bugs and mold spores. Usually, we just rinse strawberries with water and start enjoying them. But we should do it differently. First, get a bowl and put the strawberries in it. Prepare the first ingredient, which is vinegar. Pour some into the bowl with the strawberries. Then take baking soda and add it to the bowl as well. Don't worry, nothing bad will happen to them. The baking soda will produce a great effect. The ingredients will start to fizz vigorously, thoroughly cleaning the strawberries. The combination of baking soda and vinegar also helps prevent the fruits from molding quickly. Wait for about 15 minutes. After this time, look into the bowl and at your strawberries. You'll notice a lot of dirt in the bowl that you wouldn't have seen if you had only washed them with water. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly under running water and place them in a serving bowl. If there were any bugs in the fruit, this simple trick will get rid of them. A pyramid like this is not just a garden decoration. It is a clever way to grow strawberries vertically that saves space and water. The fruit does not lie on the ground, so it rots less often and is less exposed to pests. In a small garden, this idea makes a big difference and makes plant care easier.